Well, it looks as though spring has sprung and Easter is just around the corner here at the Watering Can Flower Market. I'm being joined by one of the owners here, Sue. I've never been here before, Sue, and I am totally blown away. Do you see how enthusiastic I am?
I'm so excited to be here. The plants, the color, it's amazing.
So tell me a little bit about the space. What do you guys do here? Why did somebody just come up to me and say being here was therapeutic?
So this is our tropical garden center. As you can see, we have many different kinds of plants and flowers, and it's just a space where people can just be and relax and just have some time to themselves, grab a coffee if they would like, and just enjoy the plants and the color around them.
Well, it's really like going to a tropical garden, except you can actually purchase the flowers once you enjoy them. I mean, I had that customer come up to me and tell me that she comes here for a vacation day, because you're getting such good energy from the plants and the flowers and the oxygen that's being generated in here.
Well, and that's so important, right?
Yeah.
Plants in your home, flowers in your home. If you talk about how that's going to help you just enjoy your life a little bit more, it brings you joy. And that's what we're all about, is how can we bring our customers joy? That's through flowers in your house, whether it's a workshop that we're going to teach you how to make, or plants.
I'm so excited. Now, do you know how many different plant varieties you have?
Oh my goodness, thousands. I don't even know if I could even tell you all of them right now. I mean, my favorites would be like pothos and snake plants and ZZs, because those are the easiest ones to take care of.
That's what I was just going to say. I was like, hey, I have all those plants.
Yes,
what does that say about me?
They're the easiest, they're the nicest to me. I mean, and obviously you've got some more rare ones that you have to be a little bit more delicate with. But yeah, there's so many different kinds for anybody.
But I'm guessing your staff here is so educated in the way of plants and flowers that if I came in and said, I kind of want a plant that does this, this, and this, but that's easy to take care of, it doesn't need a lot of sun, you know, they're going to be able to hook me up with what I need.
Absolutely. So we have plant care specialists here.
Amazing.
Who have all the knowledge and all the detail behind them to be able to help you with that and guide you in the right direction to get that right perfect plant for you.
Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. We have so much coming up. We're going to be visiting the cafe because they do high tea here. We're also going to be putting together our own plant display, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So you're going to want to stay with us right here on Morning Live. Well, 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 look at us here, Sue. This is amazing. You come in here and you think you're just going into a normal garden center and voila, you are transformed into this beautiful cafe. It's like we've just clicked our heels together and became Alice in Wonderland. I don't know what's going on. This is incredible.
Isn't it amazing? We've got our tea, we've got our treats. So this is what we call our garden tea.
Okay.
You can come every day of the week, Monday to Saturday, and enjoy one of these lovely teas with your friends or your family or your mom, or it's just a wonderful experience to have.
It's a really special experience because you are surrounded by so much beauty in here. If I didn't know any better, I could think that I was in the Bahamas. Like, it's so tropical.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, you're sitting underneath the greenery, and it just creates that oasis for that just calm, tranquil time with your friends.
Beautiful. Okay, tell me what we have going on here on this beautiful tower.
We have so many goodies.
This is a lot.
It is. So you've got some scones, you've got like cucumber sandwiches. These croissants with the chicken in there is just amazing.
You're gonna have to have a little, because it feels bougie to me to have a cucumber sandwich.
And we've got some fruit, and this one up here is one of my new favorites. It's like a strawberry tart. It's just delicious. Delicious.
Oh my goodness. Okay. So you have to make reservations, or is it kind of...
Yes, reservations are required. You can go onto our website and see the open times.
Okay.
And we do special ones too. So we'll do like a Mother's Day garden tea, we'll do a tropical garden tea in the summer, and it's just a super fun way to spend time with people.
And it's open all year round?
Year round, yeah, we do them year round. Yes,
Okay.
in the cafe, absolutely.
And now I noticed that you guys have a brand new patio.
We do, we opened that last year, and you want to talk about a tropical oasis?
Yeah.
That space is amazing. You go outside, you sit out there underneath all the greenery, it's amazing.
Oh my goodness. And that's seasonal, of course, but same kind of thing. You can get your tea out there.
Yes, and you can order from our cafe as well. We do have a little cafe.
What kind of menu are we talking here? Look at how cute the menu is. That's so adorable.
It's super cute. So we have our garden tea menu that's specific for here, but we also have our cafe menu. So you can come here for lunch.
Oh my goodness, you really do.
You really can. So you can come for lunch, you can have tea, you can have coffee, have a sandwich.
This is incredible.
You can
specialty lattes, all all sorts of stuff.
Absolutely. Because you can go to our cash and carry as well. So you can go to our cafe, just order your cheesecake to go, order your drink to go, grab your coffee, and just walk around and enjoy the plants.
Oh,
Yes.
it's the best.
It
And
is.
how long have you guys been here for?
We've been here over 25 years in this location.
Wow.
Yeah, a really long time.
Okay, so you have a lot of repeat customers.
Yes, and we love our community.
Yeah.
We love seeing familiar faces. We love it when people come and say hi to us.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's great. I mean, the customer service here is second to none. Let's put it that way. Okay, we have so much more coming up. I'm going to be building a planter, I believe.
You are.
I'm going to try my hand at a spring planter because 'tis the season. Okay, it is time now to put together a DIY kit. And this is something that you guys offer to everyone to either put together here or take it home and put it together with their loved ones.
Absolutely.
This is great. How many of these do you have?
Oh my goodness,
So many different types of kinds.
so many, and we put new ones up every week.
That's amazing.
Seasonally as well. But what's so great is, yeah, you can do this with your family, your friends. It's just time spent together.
Yeah, I think it would be really good to do it like a baby shower or like
Yes.
a birthday party or
An
something.
event.
Yeah,
yes,
an event.
I fully agree. And it's super easy because we provide all the instructions for you and all the materials that are needed to put the kit together. So
Amazing.
there's no fuss. It's just all ready for you to just enjoy and have a wonderful time.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, so you're gonna grab your pot.
Just gonna follow along and do what you do.
Sure, no problem. You're gonna get your soil.
Okay.
You're gonna fill it about halfway full.
Halfway
Keeping in
full.
mind we have to put the plants in.
Right.
Okay? And let's start with our hyacinth.
Okay.
So a little tip is to kind of just squeeze the pot a little bit
Yep.
and then hold the plant on top and just dump over. See
Okay.
all those roots there?
Yeah.
It's a healthy plant.
It's a very healthy plant.
And then just push the soil to the side and place it in.
Okay.
And I kind of just push the soil a little bit so it falls around nicely.
Okay. Ta-da.
Great job.
Okay.
Then you're gonna grab your muscari.
Muscari. Oh,
I
these
know
are
these
the
are
little blue ones.
They are, and they're
When
so
I was a little
pretty.
kid, they used to remind me of like bushels of grapes.
Well, that's actually great because they look like little grapes.
And they smell really fragrant too. They're beautiful.
This hyacinth as well smells really fragrant.
What color is the hyacinth?
Mine's white. I
Oh, I
think
don't
yours
know.
is white as well.
Oh, it is white, yep.
Yep. So you're just gonna push the second one in a little bit.
Ooh, we're gonna really squish him in
Yep,
there.
squish them in there.
Did I put too much soil in?
Sometimes you do, and you got to pull a little bit out.
Yeah, I might
That's
have.
okay. Just pull it out. Yep, just throw it out. That's what we're here for.
I'm making a mess.
That's the point, though, is to get your hands dirty and
Yes,
enjoy nature a little
I
bit,
agree.
right?
I agree. Okay.
That's great.
Their bulbs are sticking out. Their bulbs are showing. It's not good.
You're gonna want a hole here.
Yep.
Push it over.
Bulbs are showing.
Because we got to get this last flowering plant in yet.
Oh gosh.
I know there's one more. So that's the great thing is there's always more to come.
There's always more. Okay, while we're putting this little guy in, tell us about your workshops that you have.
So we do these wonderful DIY kits year round, but we also have in-person workshops in our workshop facility where we just teach people how to do what we do.
How to be gardeners.
Yes, gardeners, or we use fresh
Florists?
flowers. Yes.
Wow.
And it's amazing because we get to teach the skill that we love so much to other people so that they
Yeah.
can enjoy what we enjoy.
And how do people sign up for the workshops?
You're going to go to our website.
Same thing?
Same thing, find
Okay.
the workshop link, call or email, and we'll be able to help you.
Okay, yours looks much more put together than mine.
Well, no, I think yours looks great. Here, just like that.
Okay.
Okay, so now you have to do the finishing touches.
Oh boy.
It's good. It's going to grow, right? Keep in mind it's going to grow up. You're fine.
Oh yeah, okay,
Yeah.
all right. I'm like worried about the little things. My OCD's coming out. I'm like, ooh,
No,
you can see the ball.
honestly, you've done perfect.
Okay.
Okay, so you're going to open this little package.
Okay.
You've got some moss, a little birdie, and some stones.
Okay,
So
birdie.
I recommend dumping the stones in first
Okay.
on the biggest spot of a waste soil. Maybe like right here.
Like, I don't have any soil. Okay, well, we're running out of time, so we're gonna wrap this up, but I think we're gonna start the next segment with my finished product. So don't go anywhere. There's so much more coming up from the Watering Can Flowering Market in Vineland.
Good job, Emily.
Thank you. Look what I made. I'm standing with it like it's a trophy or something.
You did great.
Well, thank you. It was very easy and it's so sweet. It's perfect for Easter. It's perfect for Mother's Day. All those little things that we have coming up. Something really fun to do with loved ones. We have made our way from the planter station into the fresh flower market. Now, this place, the smell in here is incredible.
The fragrance.
Oh, it smells so beautiful. And this is where you have all of your fresh cut flowers. There's nothing behind glass.
There's nothing behind glass. Everything is out for anyone to be able to touch and feel and enjoy. Smell the fragrance, yes.
It's beautiful. So over here you have your fresh cut bouquets this is kind of your grab and go. Is that what you called it?
Yes, our grab and go. So you can come in for any occasion and just grab whichever one speaks to you, whether it's a specific color palette. But these are all ready made up. We make them fresh every single day. But alternatively, also have a flower bar. Where you can grab the flowers that you like and we will custom make you a bouquet when you come in.
That's great, and I love that sign. Remember, if the vase isn't clean enough for you to drink out of, then it's not clean enough for your flowers.
And it's true, because you should be cutting your flowers every other day.
Every other day?
Every other day,
oh my gosh,
to ensure that it's fresh water. But we also have this amazing selection of flowers where you could literally, Emily, say, I want these 3 different items, hand them off to us, and we would make that into a custom bouquet for you to enjoy.
And while you are making the custom bouquet, I'll run out into your beautiful Bistro Cafe and I will grab a cup of coffee and maybe a sandwich to go. I'll walk around, check out some of the plants, come back, pick up my bouquet, and it's 6 hours later and I'm finally going home.
6 hours later, yes.
Like, let's be honest. You could spend a full day in here.
You could literally spend a whole day. But between doing a workshop, eating your lunch, coming to get flowers, and just enjoying the plants out in that tropical garden center, you could literally spend the day.
And you guys have been here for 25 years, family-owned business.
Yes, we are a family-owned business, multi-generational, and it's just wonderful to be together and be able to support our community.
Yeah, I bet the community just loves it here.
Well, and we love our community.
And you probably know everybody, because someone will get the wedding flowers done and they'll hear from somebody and then they'll tell somebody else and then you'll have that person's cousin and their grandparent.
And we love seeing familiar faces.
Yeah, that's so great.
And we love what we do. We love flowers, we love plants, and we just love sharing our passion with the Niagara region and beyond.
Well, you can tell because everything in here is immaculate. Like, I haven't seen anything wilted or brown, or it doesn't look anything like the plants in my house. They look a lot better. When I saw your fig leaf, I was like, how do you make it look like that?
We're very lucky to have amazing people work with us.
Yeah, it's a great space. Thank you so much for having us. And if people want to get a hold of you, what's the best way to do it?
They can go to our website. All of our contact information is on there.
Okay.
They can follow us on social media.
Amazing.
Or they could give us a call or come down and see us.
Perfect. That's the best way, right?
That is always the best way.
All right. Well, thanks again, Sue.
My pleasure.